Hi everybody, it's Yasmine here from Little Iowa Farm, and I am so excited because it is a gorgeous day out, number one. It is so beautiful. I just want to stay out here forever. Look how blue the sky is today. So today is a pretty exciting day. We are taking our pigs to the butcher today for them to be butchered tomorrow. So it's Sunday, so we're taking them Sunday night, and then they'll be butchered tomorrow, Monday. I am super excited about this and to have our first round of pork that we've raised and to just see the quality based on what we fed them. I do plan on doing like a cost breakdown and versus like raising it on your own organically, because we raise them 100% organic and then with raw milk, and then also showing the difference in store-bought. So we are going to be loading them up, so I wanted to show you guys how we're going to do that, because I've seen it go either way. Some people say it's very hard to load them onto the trailer. Other people say it's not that much work. So I just figured I'd do a little vlog for you guys today and take you on our little adventure to take the pigs to the butcher. Camera, say hi, camera.
Hi, camera.
And say, are we taking the pigs to the butcher today? Yeah. Say see ya.
See ya.
So we have the pigs here. We've got some milk in here to try to entice them, and we did not feed them last night, so hopefully they'll go in here pretty easily. And Jacob is going to back up the trailer just right up to their pen. I'm hoping they can focus in on Journee. That's probably about good. They're sniffing around. I mean, I could go get more. Alright, they're all loaded in, ready to go to the market. So we had to drive about 40 minutes here. My father-in-law drove the pigs on the trailer because we don't have a truck to drive them. So we just arrived, and he is backing them up into the area where we're going to drop them all to be butchered. I'm a little bit sad. I'm having a hard time with this, but my husband is encouraging me and telling me that every single time it'll get easier, but it is sad. Even though they frustrated me and everything else, I'm a little bit sad to see them go. So here he is backing them up, and I will get out and kind of show you the unloading process. Okay, so there's like this multi drop-off system. So we led them through here and then back around through here, and they are all loaded up. And then you put your information up here for who is taking them. So tomorrow they will meet their fate. And there's some cows here being dropped off too. All right, thanks for following along, and we will see you next time.